Hi, my name is Sonia. This is my son Raymond. Today I'm here to cook one of my favorite Cuban dishes, picadillo. Ray is going to leave the kitchen while I cook. When he comes back, he's not going to have one dish. He's going to have 3 identical dishes in front of him. Then he will have to pick which one I made. Let's hope he picks right.
Pressure's on.
Out. First up, we're gonna make our rice. I have my rinsed rice. I like using the rice cooker only because I can be starting the other dish at the same time. And our water's in, a pinch of salt, and I like to put a little bit of oil. It's about 2 cups here, so it's gonna take anywhere about 15-20 minutes. And now we're gonna put this aside and we're going to start my picadillo. We're gonna start with our ground beef. This is a scaled down version of what I cook at home. I always like to make just a little extra in case you have that extra guest coming, or you wanna save it for your next day to make other dishes that you can make with the picadillo. We can make some empanadas. You can also make some very famous papa rellena. Then we're going to go ahead and add some onions. Then also bell peppers, Cuban style pinch of salt. Just a tad of pepper, not too much. A little bit of oregano, comino. The majority of the Cuban dishes are not spicy. We just like to put in enough flavors, but not spicy. So now we're going to go ahead and add our garlic, a little bit of the tomato paste, and tomato sauce. A lot of people don't like the olives, but it is a tradition. I almost forgot, raisins. This just gives it that little sweet kick. Lastly, I'm adding the sazon. There are different kinds of sazones out there. This one has a little extra ingredient to help you color the meat a little bit as well. From start to finish, it takes anywhere from about 25 minutes to half an hour. It's a favorite dish. It's something that's quick and easy. My grandmother, God rest her soul, it was one of her favorite dishes. So that's one of the main reasons we take pride in doing this one in our house because she was the one that taught us how to cook this. Everything looks wonderful. We're just gonna top it off and we're gonna start our platanitos maduro. Let's see. We're gonna pick out the most ripe. Just gonna peel here. As you can see, they're very ripe. We're gonna be cutting it at a long angle. When you get them at the markets, they come anywhere from hunter green to, as you see here, when they turn very brown, those are the most ripe. I'm gonna slide them right in. Be very, very careful. Of course, you know, your oil is extremely, extremely hot. You just wanna cook them till they get just a little bit brown on the sides, less than a minute on each side. Loving my parents, their cooking, the love that they put into the food. It was just, you know, something wonderful. If I were in my son's shoes and my mom were cooking, absolutely I would know in a heartbeat which one would be hers. So we have our 3 dishes here. Let's plate up. And normally we're like to put a little bit more, but because Raymond has to taste 2 other dishes, we're gonna just give him a little taste here. We'll give him 3, because I know he likes them. And here's our dish, picadillo, white rice, and sweet plantains. Hopefully he picks mine.
Hi, my name is Raymond Royero Jr. I am Sonia's son, her favorite son, her only son, but still her favorite. I hope I get it right, because I wouldn't be able to live it down with myself if I don't get it right. Let's just put this into perspective, okay? I didn't come in my car, so if I get this wrong, I'm probably gonna sit in the trunk. If you guys and girls are watching, pray for me, yeah? Time to eat? Let's eat. Number 1, it looks pretty good. If you're Cuban and you don't like this, pobrecito. Flavor's good. The plátanos taste familiar, but it tastes different at the same time. The rice though, I don't know, that really doesn't taste like my mom's rice. I just don't know, the seasoning on the picadillo is a lot different than how my mother really makes it. You never know. Once I try the other plates, I will be sure. Damn. This looks really good. This one actually has raisins in it. I like it. The ones that have raisins in it, if you don't like raisins in your picadillo, you should really try it. It's so good. Esto sí está rico. The rice isn't bad. The picadillo is just amazing. The seasoning isn't as thick as the first plate. I mean, it's really balanced. It's not too salty. The plátanos, they look amazing. It's not too burnt, though I'd kind of like it a little dark, but this is really nice. the rice is not bad either. I'm a big rice guy. I like rice. So number 2 was really good. Number 1 was good. Number 3, is it meant to be? Let's see. Well, this looks a lot different. The plátanos are darker. Picadillo looks good. Oh my God, it has potatoes. And it actually doesn't have olives. It's good, but it's just, the seasoning is just a little bit too much on this one. The plátanos are good. I love that there's potatoes. I love potatoes. It helps balance out the food. It helps balance out the flavor. Out of these 3 dishes, I'm stuck between 1 and 2 because visually they're both similar to my mom's, but I know how my mom cooks. It's gotta be number 2. And if I'm wrong, this might be the last time all of you see me. Mom, I picked number 2. The plantains were made exactly the way you make them. You don't put them too dark, you don't put it too light, but I could be wrong. But please tell me if I got it right or wrong.
Well, no, this one.
Oh, no way.
It's this one.
Oh, thank God. I'm sweating right here. Oh, please get this right. Oh, my God.
You got it right.
Thank God. So I can sit next to you on the ride home?
You got it.
I got it right. So all those years of eating with her, it worked for something. So eat your food that your mom gives you. Look, she only has to deal with me the rest of her life. So this is just one stage of me surviving.